This is how the greens are looking after cooking for 35 minutes. Okay, so I'm back with another video in Burning with Bern's kitchen. He is making smoked brisket today, and I had already planned to make collard greens, so we're gonna have smoked brisket, collard greens, and black-eyed peas. So for my meat, for my collard greens, I'm using smoked turkey tails. I got these from my local grocery store, Publix. A little expensive. If you have a meat store, it's probably cheaper, but this was the cheapest one they had, $5.13. I washed my meat off, put it in here. I used 3 pieces. And then I'm just gonna put enough water to cover the meat. All right, so we have enough water to cover the meat, and then over here on the Instant Pot settings, I'm gonna, oh, y'all didn't tell me, I gotta put the lid on. Put the lid on, and then it's gonna be on the not vent setting. Then we're gonna come back to the settings. We're gonna select meat, and I'm gonna do about 35 minutes and come back. Some people actually cook their collard greens and their meat together. Because I want to put some of the meat in my collard, I want to put some of the meat in my black-eyed peas. I'm going to cook the meat and the collard greens separate. So we're going to let that cook for 35 minutes, and then we're going to come back and add the greens. So the collard greens said that they're triple wash, but I re-wash mine anyway. So now I'm going to put half the collard greens into pot. I'm going to add a piece of the meat. I'm going to add my seasoning. I have seasoning salt from Lawry's, however you say it, garlic powder, and some pepper. Then I'm going to add the rest of my greens. Push them down as far as I can. Add my other piece of meat. And I'm gonna add, what is this, like a cup and a half? Add 2 cups of water. I don't feel like getting ready. Some more seasoning. So that was the Lawry's, how you say it, garlic powder. Pepper. I guess. We're gonna put the lid back on. Set it so that it's not venting. All right, so I like to put mine on the soup setting, and we're gonna put it on about 4 hours. less, so that's low. And we're gonna cook it for 30 minutes. 35. Then we'll come back and check it. This is how the greens are looking after cooking for 35 minutes and venting for 13 minutes.